Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to use your Android phone as a document camera. I feel like this would be more helpful for teachers who don't have a document camera, who don't want to purchase a document camera. This is just a free alternative. This can really help anybody, but I think teachers it may just impact more. But let's just jump right into it. Grab your Android phone for me and go to the Play Store. Search for IPwebcam, which I already have it as a first result. So you're going to search for IPwebcam. Click on it right there. Make sure it's the gray box with the two circles here and hit install. I already have it installed, so I'm going to close out of the Play Store. Find it on your phone. Mine's on the last page, so I'm going to click it. Once you're in the app, you're going to scroll all the way down and click on Start Server. Okay. Once you're here, make note of this number right here. It says IPv4, and there's like this whole address. Focus on where the 1 is here and the 0 is here. Write this number down on a sticky note, maybe email it to yourself. Just put it somewhere off to the side because we're actually going to use that number really soon in Google Chrome. So once you have that written down, you're going to jump into Google Chrome. And then from here, you're going to type in that number that you just written down. So I'm sorry, that you just wrote down. Okay. So once you type that in, you'll be brought to this IP webcam page. What I want you to do is click on Browser where it says Video Renderer. Click on Browser. So here it's going to show a picture of your phone, your Android phone, I'm sorry. It's going to show the document camera. So if you scroll down, now my phone, I have it to where it's kind of flipped. So you may want to scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. And I have it on landscape mode. You may want it on portrait. So we'll put it on portrait. It might freeze for a couple seconds so it recognizes. But once it changes it in a second. Just like that, okay? So as you can see, this is my basement, but everything that I'm showing on my phone is you're seeing on the computer. Now, what I said earlier in the video is now you have your document camera set up. Now, if you're a teacher, you may want to share this with your students within Zoom or something like that. So we have the camera set up. So if we go into Zoom and we click on New Meeting, it's going to connect here. Just click off of that. You're just going to click on Share Screen. And you're going to click on either the IP webcam, which is Google Chrome, or whatever your phone's called. Mine is the Motorola Razr. But we can just do IP webcam. Click on Share. And now I'm currently sharing with my phone to whoever, if you have students or if, you're sharing with your friends. But yeah, that is how you share. That is how you set up a document camera with your Android phone, and that is how you share with Zoom. So this was just a quick video on how to do that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. I know there's a couple steps involved, but I'm here to help, so just let me know. And yeah, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.